Welcome to the Mexico series. I'm Dane, a full-time travel vlogger who posts weekly raw travel videos of what happens in my daily life as I travel the world. I set up this channel to document my round-the-world trip and inspire others to get out there and see the world. In this series, we head to Mexico to start a big backpacking adventure in Latin America. Follow along as I give you a glimpse into the daily life of a traveler in Mexico. I mostly see beautiful things, but other times, things just don't go to plan. Subscribe down below to catch up on my weekly adventures and get inspired to travel the world. In this video, we head to Oaxaca and get our first taste of Mexican street food in this beautiful, colourful city. Buenos dias, guys. Welcome back to another video. We are still in Mexico. We've only been in Mexico 1 week officially today. It's currently Sunday. I'm in Oaxaca, the state of Oaxaca. I'm in Oaxaca City, Oaxaca. Currently on the rooftop of the hostel that I'm staying at. I will link down my hostel below because this hostel is amazing. I had such a good breakfast. It's got such a good social vibe, which I love. I've kind of had a funny first week in Mexico. I started off in Mexico City, obviously a bit jet lagged, a bit tired, just trying to work out what is going on. And then I went down and spent 3 nights in Puebla and made this silly mistake of going up a mountain that was 4,600 meters. I had severe altitude sickness and I was basically bedbound for a couple of days. Luckily I survived. But anyway, we are here in Oaxaca. I'm in one piece, I'm alive. I've booked some Spanish school for next week. I'm really excited to be here. Today's video is going to be first impressions of Oaxaca. I just love saying the word Oaxaca, it's so much fun. Come hang out with me and whoever I meet, whoever I bump into in Mexico, Oaxaca. Right, so I'm with some guys from the hostel. We are trying to get to this market, being told different things by different people, so I'm just going to follow along and see where we go. Hola. So after a short taxi journey, we have arrived at Tlacolula Market. I think I'm saying that right. I'm totally butchering it. Carolina?
Tlacolula.
She's saying it right. I'm not good at pronouncing things. So then we're going to stroll around, get some food, have a look around. It took like 45 minutes to get here, but excited to be here. Carolina is trying some fermented juice, fermented alcohol. Is it good?
I like it.
Yeah? I don't drink.
Have you had the ones in Oaxaca City?
No.
This is the budget.
Oh, is it good?
It's good, right?
Yeah. I would drink it, but I don't drink alcohol. So we're just having a little stroll. The guys have got some drinks, but I think you can literally pick up anything you want at this market. It's in power tools, belts, clothes, juices, fruits, you name it, it is at this market. And you guys know I love a market. So I'm about to try some meme. Fruity. Do you want to try some?
No.
You sure? It's okay. Kind of looks like this. You can tell by my face what I think. A bit sour as well. Oh wow. I need a bin. I honestly feel like I'm in my element right now. All the colors, all the smells, all the bags. Okay, so we are in the food market part of this big market, and it's actually quite difficult to be in here as a vegan because there's literally dead animals everywhere. I'm not going to put it on screen because it's already traumatizing for me to see it with my eyes, let alone you guys if you're veggies or vegans or whatever. But it's really cool. My senses are going wild. I've got smells, things I'm seeing, things I'm hearing. This is my first experience with Mexican street food. I've gone for tacos, gorada, vegano style. We've got some frijoles, which is the bean stuff. I'm very excited to eat this right now. I'm so hungry. You guys know I love the food. Look at this. So good. First experience of Mexican street food, absolutely 10 out of 10. It had some like hard fried taco thing, it had guacamole, some spicy sauce, some potatoes inside. Definitely check that one out, guys. We're back at the meat now. So I think it's been a pretty successful little morning at this market. I'll leave the details below. But we're gonna head back to Oaxaca City now and see what else we get up to. Hola, so we are now back in Oaxaca. We're in the city. We got the local bus and it was actually fine. It was like we paid about 65 pesos each to get to this market, but on the way back we chose to get the bus and it was only 20 pesos, so it's definitely a lot cheaper and I felt totally safe on the public transport as well. We've just stopped by this beautiful little coffee shop. It's called Cafe Brujola. Cafe Brujola. I think the J is pronounced a H. So we've had a nice little iced coffee and now we're gonna go do the walking tour. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog. You know what I'm like on walking tours. I tend to not vlog as much just because they're awkward. There's lots of people. We're following a guy, he's telling us information. So yeah, let's go see the city. Okay, it's defo too annoying to vlog on a walking tour. Oh, someone's flying their drone. But we are outside this church and apparently it's like 150,000 pesos to get married in this church, but it's pretty beautiful. Just went inside, had a look around. One thing I will say is that I already feel like I should spend more time in Oaxaca. It's so beautiful and it's a lot more peaceful than Puebla and Mexico City. So walking tour is over. It was really good. I'll leave the details below as per usual because about everything in the details down below. Didn't really vlog much because walking tours are just awkward to vlog on. But one thing, I learned a few things. A lot of the buildings in Oaxaca are protected under UNESCO, and the guy was telling me that on one street every house has to be a different colour. The paint is given by the government so people don't have to pay for it, but we got shown a few houses or a few buildings that had been closed down, like a restaurant, because they painted their house the same colour as someone else, where they painted the restaurant the same colour as another restaurant. They got a good fine and they got closed down until they changed it. So I thought that was quite a fun fact. But we have just been walking around a neighbourhood there's Day of the Dead stuff everywhere, so I'm definitely going to do another vlog. All the Day of the Dead stuff, I live for that stuff, so I'm going to show you guys that in another vlog. Right now, we got a little doggy friend and we are going to go get some food because I'm bloody starving. Every walking tour I do, there's always a dog. I think he likes us. Been a pretty successful first full day in Oaxaca and full week actually. I've just realized I've been in Mexico for 1 week, so we have come out to dinner at Cathedral restaurant in sort of the downtown area, just a few blocks around the Zocalo. My first thoughts on Oaxaca, I absolutely love it and I'm so excited that I'm spending another like 3 full days here. Usually what I do is book like 3 nights in place. I actually booked 4 here. I might extend by another night before I go to Puerto Escondido. So yeah, I'm probably going to end this video here after I show you guys what we had for dinner, because I just had this random thought. I was like, are we outside or is the ceiling black? What do you think?